सो हाय गाइस, दिस इज राघव फ्रॉम एनएलटीआई और आज हमारे पास बहुत ही बड़ी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ है। CNLU पटना हैज़ ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड इट्स 3-year LLB program. You heard it right. Now along with NLSIU Bangalore, NLU Odisha, DSNLU Visakhapatnam, CNLU is also starting its 3-year LLB program. It has got the approval of Bar Council of India, and today we are going to dive deeper into what the program will entail, how the admissions will work, what can be the syllabus of the entrance test. So let's get on it. So what exactly has happened? So CNLU Patna, as we talked about, has got the BCI approval and ये एक fourth NLU बन चुका है जो कि अब अपना entrance exam conduct करेगा for its 3-year program, and this makes it only the fourth NLU. And we'll cover admissions, eligibility. So what exactly has been approved? The Bar Council of India has formally permitted the CNLU to conduct its 3-year program. अभी कुछ ऑफिशियल CNLU की तरफ से ऐसे नहीं आया कि उनका ब्रोशर रिलीज हो गया एडमिशंस का या फिर उनका सीट एंड टेक एलिजिबिलिटी रिलीज हुआ है. Just that they have got the approval and CNLU Patna has acknowledged the approval. So let's dive deeper into why CNLU. So guys, इसकी अगर रेपुटेशन की बात करें तो इट्स अ स्टेट NLU, UGC recognized, headed by Professor Faizan Mustafa. He is the VC. And if we talk about the rankings part, recent law rankings place CNLU among notable national performers. CNLU has been consistently in the top 10 of India. अगर आपको 5-year law pursue करनी है तो CNLU is in the top 10 of India. And also CNLU has signed an MOU. It has signed an MOU with the University of Leicester. So basically इसमें क्या रहता है कि they are offering a 30% tuition concession for CNLU graduates who will be going to Leicester Law School for their LLM programs. So if we talk about the eligibility, guys, its eligibility is similar to what the candidates have for their NLSAT, their NLU Odisha's entrance exam. Anybody who has a valid graduation from a recognized university, they can appear for this. And minimum marks, if we talk about, so it's 45% for general, 40% for SC ST, and CNLU का भी exact जो threshold है वो उनके notice में आएगा, but it's what we have seen in the previous 3-year law exams. So if we talk about the admissions, how will the selection work? तो अभी तक गाइस CNLU का खुद अभी कुछ ऑफिशियल नहीं आया, जो कि हमने बात करी कि उनका कोई प्रॉपर ब्रोशर नहीं आया कि दे विल बी कंडक्टिंग एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम और उसके बाद अगर इंटरव्यू भी हो सकता है. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द अदर 3-year एग्जाम्स, सो NLSAT इज कंडक्टेड फॉर NLSIU Bangalore, and then we have DSNLU Visakhapatnam conducting its own DET. Then we have NLU Odisha conducting its NAIT for its 3-year LLB. So CNLU का भी more or less यही रहेगा. आपका entrance exam ही conduct होगा, which we will be having a syllabus similar to your NLSAT and DET. उसमें आपका critical reasoning रहेगा, आपका GK रहेगा और आपका part B का कुछ portion रहेगा, which will be subjective answer writing. So guys, let's talk about the fees and the hostel part. अभी के लिए कुछ ऑफिशियली नहीं आया है CNLU की वेबसाइट पे, अब ब्रोशर और समथिंग अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया है. बट 5-year CLAT में CNLU की क्या फीस रहती है, वहाँ से हम एस्टिमेट लगाते हैं कि 3-year LLB की क्या फीस हो सकती है. सो आपकी ट्यूशन फी रहती है गाइस इसमें 1,14,000. सेकेंड, इसमें आपकी ट्यूशन फी रहती है 1,14,000 के अराउंड. डेवलपमेंट रहती है 10,000 per annum, मूट एक्टिविटीज 5,000. देन वी हैव अ मेस फी फॉर 31,500. वी हैव अ रूम रेंट ऑफ 22,000, and then we have miscellaneous infra facilities library that is for 45,000. This total comes out to be around 220k, which is like 2,20,000. So आपकी 3-year की फीस अराउंड हो सकती है 7 to 8 lakhs for your entire course. And an important point here is कि limited hostel capacity है CNLU की, तो they will be looking at off-campus hostel facility. Then guys, let's talk about the career options which we have after the CNLU 3-year LLB. You can go for litigation and AIBE. So you'll enroll yourself with the State Bar Council and then you can appear for the AIBE test. Then obviously you can be a corporate lawyer. You can appear for interviews for top tier firms, Khitan and Khitan. Then we have your AZB. Then we have Trilegal. तो आप इनके interviews में appear होके you can be a part of their in-house counsel. Then we have beyond law firm scope also. You can appear for judiciary, policy think tanks, PSUs, legal tech IP, that is a growing domain. Then comes the point, who should seriously consider this? So anyone who is in their graduation and is looking for a switch to law, they should seriously consider this option. क्योंकि NLU से अगर आप 3-year LLB करते हो तो उससे बेटर चीज़ कोई नहीं है. द एक्सपोजर एंड यू नो द peer learning which you will get there, that you won't get anywhere else. So if you're looking at a career switch in your graduation and you know you're looking to do law after your graduation, so this is the best thing you can do. Also, the approval has been granted for the academic session 25-26. So ये हमें देखना है कि बैच इस साल स्टार्ट होगा या नहीं. काफ़ी अच्छा चांस है कि इसी साल 26 में आपको फर्स्ट बैच देखने को मिल सकता है CNLU का, बट दैट इज यू नो व्हाट वी हैव टू सी. So guys, what we can do right now is we can keep checking CNLU website admission and general notices, and then to prepare we can have a look at the NLSAT PYQs, NLU AIT PYQs, just to get a gist of the pattern, how the paper pattern works. Because CNLU का भी pattern आपका थोड़ा बहुत similar होगा as compared to your NLSAT and other exams. So अगर आपको seriously इस exam में appear करना है, तो the best thing you can do is go through the NLSAT and NLU AIT PYQs and get your documents ready. Degree, provisional, final, mark sheets, ID, category certificate, EWS, SC, ST, ये सब अपना ready करके रख लीजिए. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is the most important thing. आपको कुछ भी notice आता है, we will be there to guide you. We will be putting up videos on YouTube regarding the latest updates that we get regarding the CNLU 3-year LLB. So guys, just a little promotion at the end. So if you look at our results, we have got 9 out of top 10 ranks in NLSAT this time, and we have got a total of 65-70 selections in NLSAT. So like NLTI is an organization which is currently dominating in 3-year LLB market. So if you're seriously considering your options for coaching for 3-year LLB, NLTI is the best place to go. We have quality mentors, quality mocks, we have personalized part B feedback, then we have model answers, topper sheets, then we have hard copy study material. That is what NLTI remains unique in, कि आपको NLSAT का hard copy study material सिर्फ NLTI provide कर रहा है अभी, specifically NLSAT, and CNLU का pattern भी most probably NLSAT, NLU OIT से similar ही होगा. So if you're preparing for NLSAT, then all the other exams, they are the subset of NLSAT. So you will be automatically prepared for all the exams. So if you're seriously looking for 3-year LLB coaching options, NLTI is the best place to go. Go up on our website clatnlti.com. You can look at our course options. You can call us and we'll be happy to guide you. Thank you so much. All the best.